Hello job seekers, welcome to the Pharma Awareness channel. Centaur Pharma is hiring for Quality Control and Quality Assurance Department. Centaur Pharma is the largest specialty drug manufacturing organization. Centaur leverages its synergies across API, R&D, CRAM, clinical research and formulations to provide end-to-end solutions to prestigious pharmaceutical partners. Centaur requires young and experienced professionals for the Pune site who have experience in formulation or oral solid dosage. Job openings are for quality control and quality assurance officers, executives, and managers. Candidates should be MSc, M.Pharm, or B.Pharm, with 5 to 16 years of experience. Now see the job post. Please read carefully to understand the job profile. If you are excited to be part of the Centaur, then please attend the interview or send your resume to hrpune@centaur.co.in. So friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to share this job post with your friends. I will update more job posts shortly. Thanks for watching and all the best for your interview and your career. Thank you.